Hi, good morning, afternoon, and evening. We are PBL RKS 613 and the title Pen Test Assessment and Testing the Vulnerability of Web Application to Common Attacks. And the next slide is introduce our team, and the manager project is Mrs. Maida Fani SPD MCOM, and me as a leader, Rianda Kilapama Putra. And the member is Fabi Widialoka, Gita Juliani, Zikra Nur Khalif, Farhan Ainun Hanif, and the last one is Firdaus Asma'i. And the next slide will be explained by Fabi Widialoka.
Okay, thank you, Brenda. Next, description project. This project aims to perform penetration testing pen test on a web application Badan Pendapatan Daerah or Bapenda to identify security vulnerabilities within the web. The tester did not have access to the internal information of the application. Tools used include Nmap, Zep, and others. Target system. The website we use to the pen test is https://simapaddabatam.go.id devsiapenda. Okay, the next will be explained by Farhan.
Okay, thank you, Fabi. The next one is the scanning tools that we use. Um, we use the following tools to look for vulnerabilities in the system and cover its security details, such as open ports, vulnerable configuration, or weakness in related web application. Here are the tools we use. The first one is Nmap and Zap is used to perform port scans and identify open ports. The second one is NSLOOKUP. It is used to look up DNS information, such as finding out the IP address of a domain or vice versa, domain name from IP, as well as checking DNS configuration. And the next is will be explained by Firdaus Asman.
Okay, thank you, Farhan. Okay, next is information gathering step. So, in first, we use the NS lookup to scan the website, which is mapada.batam.go.id to reveal IP domain for the website, the main IP domain from the website. Yes. The second one, we use the Nmap for simapada.batam.go.id to scan which port that website is open. And the port is open is HTTP, HTTPS, and HTTP/proxy. So that's all. Maybe the next slide will be explained by Zikra Nur Khalif. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for those for the change. Next is scanning. We are using the proxy application and have identified several threats, including one high, four medium, seven low, six information, and zero false positive. With the highest being vulnerable is JavaScript library. Next is Gita Juliani.
Okay, thank you, Zikra. And the next constraint, lack of communication between team, manager project, and client, lack of time planning, and lack of understanding of project needs, and lack of initiative to ask questions, and the last, lack of website availability. And then that's explained by Brenda.
Okay, the last one is conclusion. The progress summary is the pentest is progressing well, especially in the scanning phase by finding several vulnerabilities. And we will also exploit the system. Okay, I think that's all for we presentation about pentest, and we we will do our best and be more better we more better in exploitation and reporting. Thank you.